Assalamu alaikum. This is the fifth part of this series in which we are solving the May June 2024 paper 1 variant 1. This is the fifth question and this is from the chapter of vectors. In the previous four parts we have done the first question, which was from roots of polynomial equation. The second question was from proof by induction. Third question was from summation of series. Fourth question was from matrices, and now we are going to do vectors question. You can access the complete, clean and neat solution by clicking on the link which is pasted on the drive. You can access the solved paper, because here I don't solve neat and tidy. There is the neat and tidy solution. Okay, here the question says the points a b c, there are 3 points, have position vectors 2i plus 2j plus 4k, 2i plus 4j minus k, and minus 3i minus 3j plus 4k respectively. Respectively means the first one is of a, second one is of b, and the third one is of c, relative to the origin o. This tells us that this is OA, this is OB, and this is OC. Okay. Then our first part says find the equation of the plane ABC. Give your answer in the form AX plus BY plus CZ equal to D. Okay. So we have to find equation of plane in this form. To find the equation of plane in this form, we want two things. The first thing is normal. We can find out the normal by AB cross AC. Okay, we can also find out the normal by BA cross BC. We can also find out using CA cross CB. Okay, but we are going to use AB cross AC in our solution. Okay, and the second thing which we want is a position vector. And here we have position vector OA, OB, OC. In this solution we will use OA. Okay, now we are moving ahead. First we will going to find out the normal. Okay, so to find out normal we will do AB cross AC. So let's do AB cross AC. If you don't know how to do cross product, I will try to go in depth so you can understand here. To find AB cross AC, we want AB and AC. For this, I will do here. Wait. Let me find AB and AC first. To find AB, we will do OB, means position vector of B minus position vector of A. So here we will write the second one first and the first one as the second. Okay, now OB. The OB is written as 2i plus 4j minus k. I can write it as 2, 4 minus 1. Instead of writing horizontally, I am writing it vertically. There is nothing issue. Then I have to write OA. In OA we have 2i, 2j and 4k. So I will write 2, 2, 4. The point is this: there should be I and I, J and J, and K and K. Okay. So here we will get our AB. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And minus 1 and minus 4 is equal to minus 5. This minus is with this, all of this. Okay, I think you got it. Now we will find AC. I urge you to find out AC by yourself. If you can't find out, then I will show how to find out AC. First we will do OC minus OA. So OC is minus 3I minus 3J plus 4K. So I will write minus 3 and 4 minus OA. We can copy out OA 2 to 4. Okay. Now we can get our AC as minus 3 and minus 2 is minus 5. Then minus 3 and minus 2 is again minus 5. And then 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay. Now we will do our cross product to find out the normal. We will find out AB cross AC. I will go in detail how to find out this. So don't worry here. We will draw a matrix sign. Then I, J and K. We are using plus sign here, minus sign here, plus sign here. I will tell you why. This will be every time not specified to any one solution. It will be always used when we are going to find out cross product. Okay, so first I'm going to write AB. You can also write AC first. So if I write AB, I will write 0, 2 and minus 5. Then I will write AC minus 5, 0. I hope you get this. Now I have to find out the cross product. First I will find out I. This is a bracket, and let's say it is ending here and I'm writing here I. When I want to find out I, we will ignore the I. We will ignore this. Second, let me change the color. We will ignore this. Okay, this is our borderline. We will focus on this. Now what we will do? We will do 2 multiply by 0. Okay, let's do it. Write here 2 multiply by 0 and write minus here. Then do minus 5 multiply by minus 5. So here it will be minus 5 multiply by minus 5. Okay, let me remove this borderline. 1 second, give me a second just. Okay, wait for a bit. I want to remove this color to do things better. Yes, because I will use again this space. Okay, now we get I. Now we have to find out J. To find out J, we have this borderline for J, and we can multiply the I and K. Okay, so yes, I used here plus, minus and plus. Why? Because let me tell you, here is plus. Okay, now we will write here minus, and we will use this bracket which will end up here, and here is j. Now to find out j, what we will do? We will do 0 multiply by 0. Okay, so let's do 0 multiply by 0. Let me write here 0 multiply by 0. Then I will write minus here. Then we will do minus 5 multiply by minus 5. Okay, so here is minus 5 multiply by minus 5. Then we have to find out k. Now we will remove this borderline, and to separate the k, this borderline will remain the same. For k we will use plus sign, so I will write plus bracket open. For k we will multiply 0 with negative 5. Okay, so here 0 with negative 5, and then minus. Then we will multiply minus 5 and 2. So here minus 5 and 2, and this bracket got closed, and this is k. Now we will find I first. If we insert this bracket into the calculator, we will get our negative 25i. Then we will find out j. If you find out j using the calculator, you will get positive 25j. And then if we find out the k, we will get plus 10k. Okay, if we notice, we can take out common 5. We can take out 5 as a common. If we take out 5 as a common, so here is negative 5i, here is plus 5j, and here is plus 2k. What if I say I want to remove this negative? It is also possible. We will just remove negative from here, and we will write negative instead of positive, means we will change the sign and this become negative. Okay, so it means we had took negative 5 as a common. Okay, I hope there is nothing problem. Now we will move ahead. We got our normal. We got the first thing for which we were working out. So 5i minus 5j minus 2k. Now what to write out in this form? We will write this as 5x minus 5j, minus 5j and minus 2k. Not 2k, this is 2z. Yeah, this is, oh, what, wait. 5x minus 5y minus 2z. We got in the position of ax minus by plus cz. Now d is remaining. Here we have to find out d. For this we will use the position vector. We can use the position vector OA, OB or OC. I am going to use OA. What was the position vector OA? 2, 2 and 4. So that was 2i. So I will write 2 here. Then there was 2j, so I will write 2 here, and there was 4k, so I will write 4 here. Then I will get d. Find out what we are getting d. We get d as a negative 8. Okay. So now we can write our equation as 5x minus 5y minus 2z equal to minus 8. I hope you get the complete solution. This was our solution for the part A. Now we are moving to the part B. In the part B, the question is asking for the point D. There is one more point added now. Has position vector 2i plus j plus 3k. So it means it is OD. Find the perpendicular distance from D to the plane ABC. We have to find perpendicular distance from D to the plane ABC. We have a formula. If you are done with the lecture, so I hope you know the formula. So we have the formula that perpendicular distance, I am representing perpendicular distance as h. Okay, and now I am writing normal of this plane, get dot product with OD. OD means the position vector, the point from which we are finding the distance. Okay, minus D from this, as it was AX plus BY plus CZ minus equal to D. So this D is here, minus D, divided by modulus of n. I hope you get this. We have to memorize this formula. Listen, when we have to find out perpendicular distance between a point and a plane. Okay, let's say if the point is P, our formula will be n dot P minus D upon modulus n. If the point is A, we will write n dot A. Just this thing will change when we have to find distance between point and plane. You can make a note here. Okay, you can make a note for this. Wait for a bit. Okay, now so now I'm going to continue. Now n dot OD, how we do dot product? Let me tell you. Here you did a dot product, but you don't know. You did the dot product between n dot D. You already did dot product here. You know that you did n dot D here. How you did? You did this. Sorry. You didn't did n dot D. You did n dot A. Sorry. There was a position vector A, so there was n dot A. Now we are going to do n dot OD. So I can say that was n dot OA. I hope you get it. So this is n dot OD. 5x, there was x, so I will write a thing with the I, like a number with I. So I can write 2 here. Then we did minus 5y. Instead of y, we wrote a number with the j. So here is 1. So there is minus 2z. Instead of z, we write a number with a 3. And now we will do minus. D was minus 8, so this is here. Now divided by modulus n means take an under root and do a number with the I square, then do square with the number with a j, and do square with the number with z. Sorry, you can say k. Okay, so here if we use calculator for this, we will get answer 7 under root 6 upon 18. So what we did, listen, there was 5x minus 5y minus 2z, and we have point, what was the point, 2i plus j and plus 3k. What is the number with the I? The number with the I is 2. We inserted it instead of x. What is the number with j? Here is 1. We inserted 1 instead of y. What is the number with 3? What is the number with k? So here is 3. So we will insert this 3 instead of z, and we will get our numerator. Then to find out denominator, what we will do, take an under root, square this number, square this, and square this. So we will get the denominator, and then we will calculate using the calculator. So we will get 7 under root 6 upon 18. I hope you get my point. Now we are moving ahead. It is the last part of this question, in which it is saying and is asking for find the shortest distance between the lines AB and CD. Okay. To find out line AB and CD, let's say this is a line AB and this is a line CD. Okay. Oh, wait. Let's say it is a point A. It is a point B. It is a point C. It is a point D. Okay. So we want to find out the position, the directional vector. Like we want AC. We will take a point from this line and this line, and we will find AC. Okay. Or what we can do, there is another option, we can find BD also. Okay, so I will go for AC. I will find this. I'm going to write a formula what we have to do. So our shortest distance is equal to AC. Then we will do dot product. Dot product with what? We will do dot product with this. What is this? This is AB. And AB with the cross product CD. Let me tell you how I'm going to write it. I will write AB cross CD. Okay. What we did, if you look at the question, we will take an alphabet from here, an alphabet from here, and we will find AC. Okay. Then we will do cross product of this AB and this CD. I hope you get this. And here's one more thing. Then we will divide it with AB cross CD. Let me make it easier for you. Basically, if we multiply AB, if we do cross product of AB and CD, we will get a normal between the two lines. We will get a normal. Okay, as we had multiplied AB and AC, we got a normal. So if we multiply AB and CD, it means two directional vector. These are two, one directional, this is second directional vector. If you multiply two directional vector, we will get a normal. So I can simplify my formula as, let me simplify my formula, AC dot N modulus N. Okay. But we have to know how we have to find out N. We have to find out N by doing cross product of the directional vector. Okay. So we are going to find out our normal. So we can find out normal by AB cross CD. I think we know AB, okay. We have to find out CD. We don't know the CD. We can find out easily. There's nothing to worry for CD. I am finding out CD here, okay. So I urge you to find out CD by yourself, as I told you how to find AB and AC. First I will write OD, then minus OC. So OD is equal to, OD was 2, 1 and 3, and OC is minus 3, 4, okay. So we will get our CD. 2 minus 3 becomes 5. Then we have to do 1 minus 3 becomes 4, and then 3 minus 4 becomes minus 1. So we got our CD. Now we have to do AB cross CD. Now I want you to find out this cross product before me. You can stop the video and you can find out. Then IJK, I told you there will be plus, there will be minus, there will be plus, okay. And let's write AB. We have to find out AB here. 0, 2 and minus 5. And then 5, 4 and minus 1. Now we will find IJK, okay. Now I will make it simpler. I will not solve it bit by bit. I will show what you have to do. First multiply 2 by minus 1. We will get minus 2. Then multiply 4 by minus 5. We will get minus 20, and we will write minus here and insert this in the calculator, and what we are getting, we are getting 18 here, okay. What we did, we ignored the I, we worked on J and K, and we find 2 by minus 1 as minus 2. Then we take minus between them, and then we find out 5 minus 5 by 4, which we got minus 20, and through minus 2 minus 20 becomes minus 2 plus 20, and it become 18. So it is 89. Then minus, we have to find out now J. To find out J, we will ignore the J and we will work on I and K. So here 0 multiplied by minus 1 becomes 0. Then 5 multiplied by minus 1 become minus 25. So here it is 25J. I am not with much shortage, so the video can be ended at any time. Now we will do 0 by 4, it becomes 0. Then 5 by 2 become 10, so it is minus 10K. I'm not sure it is still recording or not. It is still recording. I have to do as soon as possible, okay. AB cross CD we got, okay. Now we have to just apply the formula H equal to 18. Instead of I, we will write the I of, wait for a bit, we have to work with AC, okay. What was AC? Let me bring, what was AC? AC was -5, -5, 0. So AC is, I will do it as soon as possible before ending the video, -5, -5, 0, okay. So 18, I will write -5 instead of I, then -25. Here it will be -5 and -10K. It means here will be 0. What I did, -5 instead of I, negative 5 instead of j, and 0 instead of k. I hope you get this. And then divided by divided by under root 18 square plus minus 25 square and plus minus 10 square. If you do it, we will get from the calculator 1.0806, and the examiner asked for 3 significant figures, so we will write as 1.08. I hope you get the all concept in this video for the vectors which we had discussed in this question, and hopefully we will be back with the question number 6 later. So you can like, subscribe and comment if you have any query. So thank you till this. Thank you. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.